Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide chat on Snapchat, right? So let's go into the Snapchat mobile application here. Then just go to the chat section and basically I want to clear this chat, right? So this person, I have talked to him. So let's say I type just anything here and right. And if I want to clear it, so you have to just go back and you have to click and hold. And after that, you will get the third option that is called chat setting. And here, the clear from chat feed. But wait guys, don't you think that this will delete my chat? Absolutely no. Just read it carefully. This is saying that it will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. So you have to just click on the clear and basically that person has gone, that ID has gone. So we have to just find that person, the ID, and here the chat is clear, right? So if I just type here anything, you can see that I got it back. All the chats I got it back, right? So this is how you can hide your chat on Snapchat. So this is pretty easy guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.